Have you ever seen this amazing and unique gardening trick of growing a plant using a bell pepper, an egg, and a little toothpaste? Let's try this creative method today. First, we dig a deep hole in the soil, crack a fresh egg right into it, and add a small amount of toothpaste to keep the soil clean and nourished. Next, we take a large, vibrant red bell pepper, make a careful cut, and place it deep into the soil. We then pour liquid nutrient and water over it to keep the soil moist and nutrient-rich, and cover it completely with a transparent plastic bottle to create a greenhouse effect. And look at this unbelievable result. After 14 days, when we carefully remove the bottle, we are completely amazed to see fresh green sprouts growing right out of the bell pepper. It looks like absolute magic. We gently pull out the plant with its roots and replant it directly into the garden soil so it can grow big and bear plenty of fruit. Bell peppers are heavily packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and powerful antioxidants that boost your immunity, improve skin glow, and enhance overall health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing gardening tips and tricks.